Welcome to the online mandatory briefing of Traffic Management Plan. Now we are going to brief you the in-house rules and regulations for the driver as well as the workers. This briefing is important to all the drivers to understand basic needs to work in POC land preparation work for airport development project. Various contractors and government agencies involved in this project. We expecting large volume of heavy vehicle movement in upcoming days. POC expecting for all vehicle drivers to drive his vehicle responsibly to prevent any vehicular incidents. Thank you for your cooperation. If you have any doubts on traffic management, feel free to ask POC. This is the aerial view of the project location. The site entrance is at the left hand side at lamppost 116. Speed limit is 40 km per hour. You have to go through from Changi East checkpoint to get into the POC site office. Changi East checkpoint is the only entry and exit to the site. There are separated vehicle lanes for the different kinds of vehicles to enter and exit to the site. On the left hand side, you will get the visitor pass office, visitor car park area, passenger drop off point and vehicle queuing area. Speed limit at the Changi East checkpoint is 15 km per hour. Always obey and follow traffic controller instructions. All visitors must enter through the security turnstile. Site entry and exit requirements. All the POC appointed drivers must have this identification sticker. To drive on the haul road, driver must hold a valid LTA driving license. If you are visiting first time, get assistance from the POC person in charge. Wait at the checkpoint queuing area. Basic site rules. Do not use handphone while driving. Wear seat belt while driving. Smoking only at designated areas. No tailgating on site as well as at checkpoint. Drive at safe distance away from other vehicles. No alcohol consumption on site. Do not drink and drive. No illegal transport. And do not drive above speed limit. No overturning. In case you are driving a long vehicle, please make sure there is a traffic controller to control the traffic movement. No overloading, no illegal U-turn on haul road, and do not overtake. No minor or major retrofitting of vehicles. Do not cover vehicles' windshield or cabin glass at all times, as they are creating a blind spot for the driver. Loading, unloading, and parking only at designated areas. Follow the road signage instruction at all times. There are different speed limit signages, caution signages on site. Obey the road signages instructions. Different locations have different speed limits. Haul road speed limit is 40 km per hour, whereas construction site access has a speed limit of 30 km per hour to 20 km per hour. Please drive within the speed limit, and if you are driving a vehicle with oversized load, you must be escorted from checkpoint to your work location. Check your vehicle condition on daily basis. Do a vehicle maintenance periodical. No major vehicle maintenance on site. For major vehicle maintenance and repair work, tow your vehicle to workshop. Now we will have a look upon the reporting procedure. Report to the POC site office guard post for safe entry, NRSE scanning and visitor declaration. If you assign to go to site directly, meet POC supervisor at the respective shelter to scan and declare your visit. Based on government requirement, in and out NRC scanning is mandatory for everyone. Communal area usage. Use a located resting shelter and toilets only. Do not use side team toilet and shelters. Ask POC supervisors if you need any assistance. Do not get down from vehicle and moving around the site if you are not authorized. Basic site rules for the drivers, those who are handling passengers. Disinfect the vehicle before and after each trip. Do not intermixing other team or group workers. Do not board over maximum permissible capacity of your vehicle, which is 75%. All the tipper lorries must be equipped with in-car cameras since 1st September 2019. Since the fatal accident in Package 1, in-car camera is mandatory for all tipper lorries. Below are the minimum features required for the in-car camera. This is the aerial view of our site, and this is our site south side. And here is Changi East Checkpoint, POC office and POT dormitory. The indication on the left side is channel 3000 and on the right hand side is channel 0, and this is zone 16 and 3M area. This yellow line represents the Hull Road, which is connected from Changi East Checkpoint to the POC office as well as the south side. As we already mentioned, the Hull Road speed limit is 40 km per hour. Before enter to site, you must know your designated loading and unloading point, pickup and drop-off point and directions. Do not drive with your own assumption. If you are not sure, stop your vehicle at Changi East Checkpoint queuing area and seek assistance from Penta-Ocean person in charge. These two pictures is to educate you to the blind spot of tipper truck and excavator. The area that you can see without any color is the area which is visible to the operator, and the yellow color area is visible only in side mirror. Rest of all grey color area is known as blind spot area. Please do not stand or work within this blind spot area. There are high chances that you can hit by moving machineries. Common blind spots for heavy vehicles. Driver must keep a safe distance from other vehicles. The farther the distance you keep from other vehicles, more time you will get for reaction in case of emergency. Each vehicle has different blind spot range. Driver must understand the hazards. Safe loading and securing the loads. All material loaded on the transport vehicle must be secure based on WSHC guidelines. Here are some methods of securing loads. Secure your load properly while shifting from one place to another, even though the distance is shorter or within your work site. Important note for drivers. If you feel fatigued while driving, stop vehicle at safe area and take rest. Wash your face with cold water. If you are not comfortable for driving, please don't drive and report to your supervisor. Emergency situation. If your vehicle is breakdown on Hull Road and you can able to move your vehicle, there are simple steps you have to follow. Safely drive the vehicle inside the work boundary through the nearby site access. Inform your respective supervisor for assistance, active repair or maintenance team. If the location belongs to other contractors, coordinate the area supervisor on the issue. On the other hand, if you are not able to move the vehicle, in this scenario, safety cones placed rear side of the vehicle and switch on the hazard light as shown in this video. Inform your respective supervisor, landside command center and CES for assistance. Active repair, maintenance, towing team for recovery. If any lane closure, alert has to broadcast to all the stakeholders through landside command center. Driver not permitted to carry out any maintenance until the safety features is in place. If any accident or incident or property damaged on site, report immediately to your known person in charge, or you can also contact emergency response team personals. Please take note the contact details of emergency response team personals. So finally here we end our briefing session. If you understand well about POC traffic management, kindly proceed for the online assessment. Have a safe day. Thank you.